I'm Rowan Crozier. I'm Chief Executive at Brandauer & Co Limited, a precision stamping and toolmaking company based in the heart of Birmingham. We manufacture over 1 billion parts per year, supplied to 26 different countries and 10 different sectors worldwide. A cross-section of our sectors that we supply into, the major one is plumbing, where we do stainless steel grub rings in very high volume. It's automotive for connectors for PCB boards. Probably the next biggest for us is telecommunications. Working with the Carfulan Group gives us a single point of contact for OGP and its associated machines and Prolink and its associated software. What does that mean and how does that deliver to our customers? Well, our customers have really high expectations. They want things accurate and they want things repeatable and recorded. One single point of contact can deliver me the right solution for that demand. Since we've embraced the range of machines supplied by OGP, we've been able to work much more collaboratively to bespoke develop solutions for our customers. It makes sure the parts are good, it makes sure the measurements are repeatable, but it also makes sure the measurements are efficient. When you're controlling components to really tight tolerances, that repeatability is really important, and the OGP machines that we're now utilising deliver on that every time.
A new capability we saw a huge benefit from in our inspection process was using the telecentric laser. It means that a lot of jobs where previously we've had to section and put on a shadowgraph, for example, can now go straight onto the laser, no interference to the part, no overnight setting of resin, and we get an immediate result that's accurate as any resin could ever be. With the OGP zone-free offline programming, I'd say we're saving around 3 to 4 days per project because we have a file ready to measure the parts before we even have the tool on site.
So our relationship now with OGP has got real breadth. You've actually helped us win new business. Our customers very often share or are interested in the same equipment from OGP, and with that interest comes referrals for new business. We'll continue to take those machines as we grow over the next 5 years.
As a business, we've invested in Prolink UK's QC-CALC software to deliver SPC data and greater data analysis with an easy-to-use front end. The colour system that's used on the standard dashboard means that we can easily see if a process is in control, being green, if it's towards limits, being orange, or is out of control, being red. It's allowed us to get greater control on our data, reduce human error, and reduce scrap levels within the business. The importance to us of being able to see this historical data that's been archived within QC-CALC is vital, not just to product quality, but to our tool performance as well. We've actually been able to diagnose issues with tooling by viewing data in the past and noticing other elements changing as well as the current one we're having a problem with, which allowed us to go back, see what we did through our records and fix the tool ready for production. For anyone looking for a precision engineering, manufacturing or a data analysis solution, I can wholeheartedly recommend the Carfulan Group and their 5 divisions. They've been instrumental for us for a number of years in winning new projects and keeping ones we've already had, and has helped us grow as a business, as have they at the same time.